Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to change currency in TradingView. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your TradingView app, and once you open it you will end up in this kind of interface. So now to change your currency, all you need to do is simply tap on the plus sign on the right hand side and simply search your bitcoins or your crypto in any of the currency you want to trade in. Talking about the currency change in TradingView app, it is till now not possible automatically by tapping on any options. So this is only the way available. You can also go on menu and check that there you can find no options for changing your currency, so your trade will only be made in US dollar. So to change your currency, all you need to do is do the manual search. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.